Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be taking you on a tour of this model home located in Isle of Lake Nona. The home we're touring today is the Easley Grand floor plan, and it starts with 5 bedrooms. You can customize it to 6. The bathrooms range from 3 to 5 full bathrooms and 1 half bath. It is a little bit over 1,400 square footage and comes with 3-car garage. The living room, dining room, and kitchen are the heart of the home. This open concept space is perfect for entertaining guests or spending time with your family. Ooh, did we mention the outdoor space? Technically, the sky is the limit here. As we head to the 2nd floor, we discover the loft area, which is a great space that you can design and use to your needs. There are 2 additional rooms, a media room, and 1 additional bathroom on this 2nd floor. If you're interested in learning about this community, I will leave a link to a recent video I did about Isles of Lake Nona. Thanks for watching this home tour. Please subscribe to my channel and we'll see you on the next one.